Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study plant physiology for NEET. Begin by thoroughly understanding core concepts such as photosynthesis, plant growth regulators, and mineral nutrition. Focus on the mechanisms and processes involved, not just rote memorization. Create flowcharts and diagrams to visualize complex pathways. This foundational knowledge is crucial for building a strong understanding of the subject. After grasping the basics, delve deeper into each chapter using standard textbooks. Pay close attention to diagrams and experimental setups, as these are frequently tested. Practice solving a wide range of multiple-choice questions daily to improve speed and accuracy. Analyze your mistakes to identify weak areas and revisit those topics. Consistent practice is key to scoring well in this section. Effective revision is paramount for retaining information. Condense your study material into short, crisp notes that highlight essential points and formulas. Utilize flashcards for quick recall of definitions, examples, and specific plant hormones. Schedule regular revision sessions for all topics, perhaps once every 3 days, to reinforce your learning. This systematic approach will help you recall information efficiently during the exam. On exam day, manage your time wisely, allocating appropriate minutes to each section. Read questions carefully to avoid misinterpretations and choose the best answer. Maintain a calm and confident demeanor throughout the examination. Remember, consistent effort and smart study techniques will lead to success. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals to help you stay comfortable during your long study sessions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.